So what do you mean by method overriding? Any idea? Anyone?
I believe same same class name, different parameters.
Okay, no.
That will be method overloading, I think, and method overriding is same method with the same parameters in different classes
Mhm.
or in same class. That I'm not sure in which.
Okay. Before that, you should understand some fact. Let's say there is a class RBI. Reserve Bank of India. Another class is SBI. One second. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ. ಮತ್ತೆ Yeah. So you only share if someone want to create an account. Let's say RBI has declared one method. Create account method, let's say. And he has set the rule. Every bank has to follow the same rule. Okay, class SBI extends RBI. HDFC, anything you take. So tell me here, if a State Bank of India want to create an account, so can we go and create inside RBI? If HDFC want to create account for his customer, because whatever rule he will fix, that is fixed. Any authority bank or Bank of America in USA, if he will set this is the rules, this is the ROI, this is the interest, and this is the pattern, like this only you have to create account. So will they go and change here according to some SBI mechanism and create account? Or HDFC want to create account? Where they will create? Will they define new set of rules? Or they will follow the same create account pattern, whatever RBI is following? Tell me.
Whatever RBI is following.
Whatever,
Whatever.
I think they can override the rules. The name says, according to the name, I don't know. Just guessing.
Overriding is leave that part. So, but there is a difference. RBI account number and SBI account number difference is there or not? Tell me.
Yes.
Mhm.
RBI account number and SBI account number, there is a difference or not?
Yes, there will be.
One second. Hello. Sorry. So here, white create account. Now, see, a state bank has to create account according to his rules and regulations. Means his rule also he want to implement, as well as he has to follow the pattern of RBI also, Reserve Bank also. Okay. So both the rules, how can he follow and how can we do? Like he should not change the rules created by the RBI, as well as he should implement his own rules and regulation also. SBI rate of interest will be little bit up. SDFC will have little bit down or up. Right. Their account number start with SB00. SDFC account number starts with SDFC 00, right? Getting? So their logic means they have to change also and they have to follow also. Both the things they have to do. They cannot modify anything, whatever they have set. That is the fix. And as well as they have to apply their rules also. So tell me, that for that reason only we do overriding. For that reason only we do overriding. So overriding is a process of implementing the same method with same signature. Implementing the same method with same signature in the subclass without disturbing the superclass. Without disturbing the superclass. Understood? So here, these all are overridden methods. I am implementing the same method with same signature. Signature means what? Their returning type, their parameters, their name, everything should be same. Everything should be same. Not only parameters, their returning type also. Here, if it's a int or a string, it should be here also a string. String. A string here also. This is also a string. This is also a string. Now, here. So here, now this is a string. This is also a string. Now, see, this is also a string. This is also a string. So here, if you go, string create account, string create account, string create one. Now inside this, at least we can change the logic. Here, let's say system.out.println. Here, creating account or RBI. Creating account for SBI. Create account for HDFC. So when you will call these methods, the implementation will come from the subclass. See, if I will call create account, this same method is same. See, I have not disturbed the existing superclass methods, and I am getting the output, right? Here also, I am following the same pattern, whatever RBI has defined, but I am implementing my logic here. See, inside this body, whatever you will do, the scope will be till here only, right or not? Correct? Are you getting or not? Hello?
Yes, yes.
So see this logic without disturbing the superclass, implementing the method of superclass in the subclass with same signature. That is called method overriding. So that we should not disturb the existing class. Let's say if I want to create account for SBI and here only I will go and change. Okay, SBI account I am creating. I will write here SBI. Then what will happen? Whoever class is extending, everywhere it will be reflecting the same. Correct or not? Right? So if you will do any modification in the super class, then
And the same will go in the subclasses.
whoever class is extending, everywhere the same thing will come. Like if SDFC want to create account, there also SBI will come, right? Here also SBI will come. So we should not disturb the existing class. But classes are made for modification. Classes are made for modification. Understood? So that's why method overriding, it is a process of implementing the method of superclass in the subclass with same signature without disturbing the superclass. Right? Why we do overriding? To modify some functionality, existing functionality, to add some functionality, to change some functionality. For that reason, we do modification. Right? If you want to add some new functionality, you want to implement some new functionality, you want to change you want to do some modification of new functionality. In that case, we do overriding. But while overriding, make sure whatever, now see the examples. Method overriding, just write the definition. It is a process of implementing superclass method in the subclass with same signature. Without disturbing implementing the superclass method in the subclass with same signature without disturbing the existing class or existing functionality. Okay. So that is method overriding. While overriding, method parameters, the returning type, method name. Everything should be same. All above 3 point must be same. That is signature. That is called signature. Method signature. If someone is saying method signature means the parameters, method parameters. Parameters means all three. Order of parameter, order, number of parameters. Type of parameter. Everything should be same. Understood? Returning type. Returning type should be same. Here it is integer, then down also. String is there, down also string you give. Everything should be same. Method names should also be same. So parameters should be same, returning type should be same. What is different? So based on my requirement, I will be creating my own logic inside SBI class. I want to create a State Bank of India account. I'll create, but I will give, okay, account number start with SB something something. So this is locally logic I am developing, but I am not changing any pattern of and set of rules, protocols given by the RBI. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So that is a method overriding. Why we do overriding? Why we do overriding? To add new functionality. To modify existing functionality. To modify functionality. Right. Modify, add, delete, whatever you want to do. So, and in object-oriented programming, classes are closed for modification. Classes are closed for modification. What do you mean? Means this class is closed here. This class is closed here, right? But, and I can modify this inside SBI. I will not, without disturbing RBI, I will modify it. What? Inside SBI. That is the meaning of classes are for made for modification. Is it clear?
Yes.
So one question here, Chandan sir, sorry. So
Mhm.
when you call the method create account from the main function, right? We have to call the method. So which method is going to execute?
So overriding, whoever class you will assign to that, whichever object you will create and assign to that, so that implementation will come from there. So if you are creating an object of subclass State Bank of India, right? Hello.
Yeah.
If you are creating an object of State Bank of India, then implementation will come from State Bank. If you are creating object of HDFC, implementation will come for HDFC, even it is extending the RBI, and both having same method.
Okay.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
So let's see. So yesterday we have done access modifiers. Today we'll see what is that? Method overriding, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'll do on class only, don't worry. So class RBI. Guys, can you all give me another 2 to 3 minutes? Hello?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Sure,
just
please.
yeah, just give me 2 to 3 minutes. I will be free, then it will be okay. Yeah, guys. Okay. So here, let me change this name. Yeah. Just here, let's say class SVI extends RVI. Just take two class. Class SDFC extends RVI. Now, let's say here, create account. Okay. And here, hmm, hmm, return account number, whatever account number, let's say string. Okay. So here, let's say you are creating. So same method with same signature you have to implement in the subclass. Sorry, this I should write in, no problem, RBI. So whatever method you have created in RBI, same you have to create in SBI, same you have to create in SDFC. Okay. Now you have to change the logic according to your requirements. Here, see, method signature means returning type is same, method name is same, and parameter is also same. Now here instead of that I will write SBI, and here I will write SB00 something. Right. And here, if you want to print, create account of SBI. And if you want to print the SBI account number, you can print it. And it return, right? Whatever. Here, SDFC. See, inside I am changing the logic locally. Okay. So here you change the prefix SDFC. Guys, you are able to hear me or not?
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, we are. Yes.
Plus, you want to print or return. Anyway, you will print there also. Yeah. So now let's create on main class. For file demo. So here, let's say I want to create account of HDFC. I will create object of HDFC H equal to new HDFC. And here H dot create account, right? Pass the account number. Let's say anything. Right. Can write here. Here also you can write a string HDFC account num equal to this one, and you can print it. So now you see this class HDFC is extending RBI, both having same method, right? So at runtime, JVM will decide from where implementation is coming. Can you see that?
Yes.
So implementation will come always from the subclass in the case of overriding. Okay, and it will be decided at runtime by JVM. So notes, implementation will come from subclass while overriding, and it is decided at runtime by JVM. Understood? Okay. Is it clear? So JVM is deciding at runtime. Runtime means which object is created for which class from their implementation will. Okay. SBI also same thing. Here is this, so HDFC right SBI. Run this. Can you see that? Okay. Both are HDFC. Some we have written same statement, I think, here also. No, it's correct. Which one we are calling?
No, I think the string name needs to be changed. The inside system.out.println, I think we are calling as
Yeah,
HDFC.
that also I'm thinking. So HDFC is there, HDFC is there. Creating account of SBI is there, right? I have written it correctly only. RBI, SBI, and SBI. Correct, no? So SBI. Oh, see here, I have called the using reference H.
Oh, okay, I think same reference. Okay.
So here, you see. Right. So the framework also, some method is already defined. We have to just implement it with same signature, and inside if you want to modify your own logic based on your requirement, that time overriding will work perfectly. Okay. So now the second thing is, let's say here I am writing public, and here it's default. Both. See, modifiers are different. Here, what is the modifiers for RB? Sorry, RBI you give public. Now see, I have in subclass modifiers is default modifiers. If there is no modifiers used, it means which type of modifier it is? What is the scope?
Default.
Default. So this method is default. So while overriding modifiers, I have not given same. In that case also it's throwing the error, right? Can you see that?
Yes.
So modifier name also should be same. Understood or not? So here you should give public. While overriding, modifier should also be same or higher type. Understood? If it is here, let's say here protected. Here, public and public. Then there is no issue. Can you see that? So what is the conclusion?
Methods can be modified. Same name with the same in subclasses.
Modifiers must be same or higher type. While overriding. Means if see what are the modifiers we have? Public, protected,
Private.
private. So see which one is greater, which is having all visibility?
Public.
Public. After that, protected is having little extra capability, accessibility, and then private. Finally, default means within a package only, right? Correct or not? So this is the order of modifiers actually. Based on accessibility. Like public will have all the privileges. If public is there, you can access from anywhere. Protected means from same package, another package also, but one condition is there, it should be inherited. Private means within the same class only. Default means, so default is having higher priority actually than private. Private would be last. Default at least you can access outside the class, but private members even you cannot access outside the class. Correct? Understood or not? See, this is highest higher high. And you can give this limited. So this is the order of modifiers based on the accessibility. So here you see superclass I have given public, protected. But in subclass, what you have to give? Either same or higher type. So greater than protected, who is there? Public is there. That's why it's not throwing error. If you write protected also, it will not throw error. Same or higher type. Same or higher type. And see, this is higher type, no error. Is it clear? Is it clear or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So this modifier also you should take care while overriding the methods, right? This point is clear.
Yes.
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 Okay. Now 5 minutes. I'll take what is dynamic dispatch? Dynamic dispatch. So first of all, based on the diagram, you should tell me. This is your diagram. So A is a superclass. Okay. B is the subclass of A. C is a subclass of B. D is a subclass of C. So which type of inheritance it is?
Multi-level.
Which one?
Multi-level.
Good. Which type of this E is also a child of A. So which type of inheritance it is?
Hierarchy.
Hierarchy. Good. So now tell me. Based on this diagram, you tell me. If I will write A1 equal to new A. B1 equal to new B. I'm creating object of the classes. You tell me whether it's correct or not. C1 equal to new C. D1 equal to new D. E1 equal to new 1. Is it all correct or not? Based on the diagram.
Yes. Yeah, based.
We can create object of all these classes, right?
Yes,
Correct
sir.
or not? Yeah, tell yes
Correct.
or no confidently,
Yeah,
not
yeah,
an issue.
correct.
Okay,
It's
good.
correct.
Yeah. Now, can I write? Let me check the diagram. Okay, A, B, C, D. A1 equal to new B. Okay. A1 equal to same thing. A1 equal to new C. A1 equal to new D. A1 equal to new E. B, C, D, E. Yeah. And so this is correct or not? Just see the diagram.
this the inheritance happens in the lower class, right? Not the upper class.
What means B is a child of A, C is a child of B, C, all are child of A, B, C, and D. Correct or not? Directly or indirectly, B, C, D, E, all are child of A. So what we are doing here, we are assigning subclass object in the superclass reference video. Agreed or not agreed? So if it is a let's say it's a 1.5 liter. This is 1.5 liter of mustard oil packet. Oil. And this is blank packet. Or some oil is there, let's say 1 liter is there, whatever it's there. And this is your half liter packet. Okay. 1/2. This is your half liter packet. So can we merge this inside this or not? This can it go and it can be merged here or not? So can you tell me? It can
Yes.
be merged or not?
So it has its own capacity, right? If you
It's a higher container, it's a small container. So a small container can go inside higher container or not?
yes, yes.
But can we put higher container into lower container?
No. No.
This is a big jar, this is a small jar. So a small jar can be fitted into big jar. Correct? Correct
Mhm.
or not?
Correct.
So see here, this is a C. This is C. And this is reverse. This is a small reverse. All reverse can be merged into C or not.
Yes.
Correct?
Mm.
Same way, we can assign
Okay.
subclass to the superclass. Because anyway, it is a subclass. He is a child. Child can be merged inside a father. Right? Father is that much of capability. But child, if he will try to merge father inside him, then his existence will lost. Correct? Right or not?
Mhm.
Let, let's say India is a very big country. Bangladesh is very small country. So this Bangladesh has come from India. Now, if all Indian people will go and stay in Bangladesh, is it possible?
No.
No, because they don't have that much capacity. But as Bangladesh came out from India, right? So Bangladesh can be shifted to India, but India cannot be shifted inside Bangladesh. Agreed or not? The same way, this BCD is a subclass. We can assign into the superclass. Means we are assigning the object of subclass to the superclass reference variable. That process is called dynamic dispatch. Understood? So these all are correct. So what is dynamic dispatch? Process of assigning superclass, assigning subclass
Subclass.
object to superclass reference variable. That is called dynamic dispatch. Okay. So here, what benefit? Why we do that? We'll do that. So at runtime, JVM will decide the implementation based on object assigned to superclass reference variable. So that is called, and this is called runtime polymorphism. So learning dynamic dispatch means polymorphism. So runtime polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism. What is the example of compile time polymorphism? Method overloading.
Method overloading and overriding also, sir, right? Method overloading and overriding.
Overriding is not, you cannot say overriding, because here at runtime, JVM will check which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable, right? So it's a runtime polymorphism, no. But method overloading, you have at compile time only, if some parameter is missing or order or type or anything is missing, that time only it will be binded. At compile time only it will throw the error. Like, but here everything is same, method name, everything is same. And here main thing is it is deciding which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable. So based on the object assigned at runtime, the output will come from this class. Understood? The output will come from P class. Here same, output will come from C class, output will come from D class, output will come from E class. Okay. So this is called runtime polymorphism. Okay. Or late binding or dynamic polymorphism. Compile time polymorphism, static polymorphism, and at compile time. This is early binding. So here,
Sir, could you please repeat which one is static polymorphism, which one is runtime, and which one is compile time?
first polymorphism, you know, right? I will tell you. What is polymorphism? It is an properties of an object already discussed. Polymorphism is it's a properties of an object to act differently at different places. Okay, that is simple definition. To act same name, many forms. Many forms. And I have given the example of plus operator. In the beginning class, plus operator. So see, plus operator, when it is used, plus operator, when it is used with numbers, it provides arithmetic expression. When same plus operator used with a string, say string, then it do concatenation, right? Same name, but acting differently at different places. So here it is giving you concatenation, same plus operator. So that is polymorphism. So that's why polymorphism having two types. Two types. One is
Runtime.
yeah, compile time and runtime. This is compile time polymorphism called early binding also. Or it called one more static polymorphism also. Runtime polymorphism called late binding. Late binding means at runtime, binding between the data, the object's behavior and properties happen at runtime. So that's why it's called as a late binding. Okay, and this is also called dynamic polymorphism or runtime polymorphism, right? Static or dynamic or runtime polymorphism. So compile time polymorphism method overloading is the best example. Runtime polymorphism, overriding method overloading. Right? Because in overriding, so and how can we achieve this overriding using dynamic dispatch? So here at runtime, JVM will decide which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable. Okay. The implementation will come both having the same method name. See here, let's say here also method name is same, RBI and SBI. But if we'll assign the object of SBI into RBI, the implementation will come from SBI. Okay. If you will assign same reference variable HDFC object, then implementation will come from HDFC. Okay. So that is, and if you want to get more difference, because it's an interview question also, you can go to Google and type polymorphism in Java. Take any website, it's not like that. See, go down. Compile time and runtime polymorphism. Right? Runtime polymorphism, method overriding, virtual functions, compile time method overloading. Try to go through it, but here only you will understand. In Java is also known as a static polymorphism. This type of polymorphism is achieved by function overloading or operator overloading. Operator overloading means plus, right? Plus is used with integer also, string also, right? So this is the example of this one. You can check this. But for better understanding, I am telling you here, let's say down. Shall I create a new package? But same example I will take. Okay, let's create. So here also just to go drag it into this. Oh, let me copy this. Copy, paste it here. Copy, paste it here. Here I will write polymorphism. Right, rename this. Change the package name. What is the package name? What is the package name? Rename. Where is the option of rename? And you see rename option is there. Refactor.
In the refactory.
Here you go and change this package name. Top. Okay. Anyway, this one is there. Now method overriding concept. Here what you have to change the name. Which package? This is 1 second. This is not required. Yeah. So see here, now you see what I will do. RBI, R equal to, I will write new SBI. Okay, new SBI. And here I will access with superclass reference variable. And see, run this. You are getting the SBI account is created. So which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable? Now, after this, if I will assign R equal to new SDFC, and here I will call directly, I'm calling, I'm not assigning anything. Here you write R dot create account number, and here you give SDFC something, right? So see, here it will give you output of SDFC. Here it will give output of SBI. So at runtime, JVM will check which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable. So R is holding here SBI. So if you are accessing create account with R, it will give you this one. SDFC is holding, it will give this one. So if you run this, can you see that? That is the use of dynamic dispatch. And same dynamic dispatch we will be using in our abstract and interface both. Yes. Polymorphism. Why we do polymorphism? For reusability. Is it clear? So here JVM will decide at runtime.
So basically it is called in the order it is.
Sorry.
The method is called from the main.
Mhm.
In the order it is, right? Basically.
Not order.
Well done.
You can call this one also first, not else. If I am writing it top, let's say RBI equal to new SBI is there. And second line only if you have written R equal to new SDFC. Then implementation, now you call the method. Implementation will come from SDFC. Implementation will come from SDFC. Now runtime it will check. Now which object is assigned? Latest. SDFC is assigned to R. If you are calling create account, even I have given SBI and all, it will come from SDFC. See here. Can you see that?
Yes, yes. Okay.
So at runtime, it is decided which object is assigned to the superclass reference variable. Implementation will come from that class, and that will be decided by JVM at runtime. That's why it's a runtime polymorphism. Okay. Is it clear? Yes, guys. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Practice this program. Download right now itself. I am sharing. Oh, you people will not get option. I don't know what is the problem here. That's fine. So I can share at least program if you want, but these all are direct project I have to share. Correct, na? So I will share it. But this also I will share. Don't worry. This both package through Google Drive I will share. This concept you can take. Yeah. So tomorrow our Abstract and interface I will be teaching. Tomorrow is very much important class. After that you people can decide. Almost I cover all those concepts. Collections and all, it's not pure. They are developed based on those collection, file handling, exception handling, but they are also very much important, which I take in the Selenium. Based on that, I give the practical examples at the same time. And these things will be repeatedly used in Selenium. So our abstract class, our abstract method and interface, we'll see it tomorrow. Understood? And this program I will be sharing in 5 minutes through Google Drive.
So thank you.
Yeah. Anything else, guys?
So please also share the program for Tuesday because you forgot to share that one also.
No, I shared in the chat. All the Google
No,
Drive through Google Drive.
I don't think I received.
I not share? And some people said
No,
also thanks.
Yeah. In WhatsApp. Yeah.
Yeah, what I've shared all three Google Drive URL in the WhatsApp. Three, all the files from beginning till now, whatever it's there, I have shared. Please check WhatsApp.
okay, because I only received the YouTube video, unless I'm not in that group, so.
Is it missing? I have shared all three URLs, like notes, everything, whatever, complete folder itself I shared. Complete folder itself. This
No,
morning at a batch, see, I zipped and all, see, I zipped everything and I shared. After that, I have deleted it.
no, so I didn't
I,
see it. So can you please reshare it, please?
okay. Again, you
Sir,
can check.
I did not see it either in the WhatsApp group.
It's there, boss. I don't know which WhatsApp group people are. Second, let me reshare.
This is the final December Selenium group you're talking about, sir.
Let me check where I have written.
Yeah, that message is gone, Chandrasen, now. Because that was Tuesday itself, Tuesday night.
Tuesday I shared, right?
Yes, and I have it downloaded as well. It's
Yes,
it's gone. It's gone from the chat now.
but that day it was available, right? Can you
That day it
reshare
was,
the
yeah.
link? Can you reshare the link again?
Okay. I'll just add it to my.
If you have that link, reshare, otherwise again. Okay, guys, today I will share. Please take it. Okay, again, you take it. Don't think that tomorrow. I don't know how it's going disappearing, as some settings are there. Messages are getting disappearing after one day. But the same day you take it. Okay?
Okay.
Hmm? Same day you take it. But 100% is the same link. I have shared I don't know where, in which. I have shared in which info? Final batch or something. Where I shared?
Yes, yes. It was in the
Okay,
final
no,
batch. Yes, it says
final batch
DNM
only I have shared.
2024, yeah. Core Java, December 24th.
Okay.
December 7. Oh, you have shared it in 7 a.m.
So from 7 a.m. you try and take it. Or I shared in the chat. No, I WhatsApp only have shared, yeah.
Yes, that's the WhatsApp group, the final one.
Yeah.
So we are in the different WhatsApp group. We are in DNM 2024 Java 17th December, that group.
Okay. So, but that link also has gone, Chandra, actually, from the link wherever you shared, right? I can see only my message that thanks so much for sharing.
Okay, tell me where I have to share this. Already I have this link. I got the link. Tell me where I should share this.
So DNM 2024 Java 17th December.
Final
8 a.m.
December Selenium batch. Shall I share? Final
Yes, sir.
December.
Yeah.
Huh?
Final December. Java at 8 a.m. Correct.
So
So
final December I'm sharing. One more place I am sharing it. Yeah.
So can you please ping the link here in the chat?
Now from here I have to open WhatsApp, right? In the web. I have shared.
Okay.
Check. Did you people get it? Again I will share.
Actually, I'm in the DNM 2024 Java.
You people have a lot of issues. Wait.
I am in 7 a.m. But you had shared it in 7 a.m. though. I got the link. I mean, I have it downloaded.
Okay. I have reshared again in this one. Final December Selenium batch. Let me reshare.
Can you please share in Java 17th December 8
Okay,
a.m.
wait. Copy link. Take here from chat now. Copy. One,
Yeah, thank you.
2. Copy. And 3. Is it okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, guys. Let's meet tomorrow and we'll see. Fine.
Yeah.
Sure,
Anything
thank you.
else? Thanks. Any doubt?
Okay,
Anything?
thank you.
Thanks. Thanks. Bye. Let me
Thank you.
stop the recording. Yeah. Bye, guys.